Okay. It's too bad, too bad, too bad. Okay, sorry guys. Just start over. Wait for a minute, okay guys? Let me check something. Is it bright enough? No, is it bright enough? Yeah. Now guys, to get started guys, first let's do to make this soda with Play-Doh. To make this soda, you need a white Play-Doh, red Play-Doh, yellow Play-Doh, and green Play-Doh. That's it. I made this already, okay? Okay. First, to make the bottle, we need blue soda. I mean, we need a blue bottle. We have to turn it into a ball or something. Like roll it or something. After that, you just have to slam it on something to make it good. After that, you go take this, put it on the bottom, put a big thing. I almost dropped my soda. Put a big and deep hole inside. Enough for a pinky to go through. See? After that, you use red for the bob. I keep on messing up. Excuse me, guys. Okay? Excuse me. Then you take a little piece of it, roll it into a ball, and do this. After that, roll it into a ball again, like this. After that, flatten it. Flatten it, guys.